This scalping trading strategy made a 995% profit with just 150 trades. And in this video, I'll break down exactly how this strategy works and even share with you the backtesting results it gave to a professional trader. I'm going to be explaining the indicators used in this strategy in detail. So let's not waste any more time and open our Tradingview chart. So this is my Tradingview chart, and this is how our chart is going to look like when we're done setting up our indicators. I'll quickly remove these indicators so I can explain their settings from the beginning. I'm going to be using a 5-minute time frame on a Bitcoin chart to explain this strategy, but you can apply this strategy to any security you prefer. First of all, we will open the Indicators tab from here. In the Search tab, type Twin Range Filter. Select this one created by Colin MCK. The default settings for this indicator are perfect, so no need to change anything. This indicator will serve as our entry confirmation tool. It's very simple. When it gives a buy signal, this suggests that the market is gaining upward momentum, therefore we open a buy position. And when it gives a sell signal, this indicates a potential downward trend, so we open a sell position. The indicator calculates the price range over a specified period, which helps in determining the volatility and strength of the current trend. But as you can see, this indicator also gives many false buy and sell signals. So to be safe from these signals, let's add the second indicator of this strategy to our trading chart. So again, we will open the Indicators tab from here, and we will search for MACD, then add the Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator to the trading chart. After that, open the settings of this indicator from here. In the Styles section, change the histogram colors to primary green and red. These colors are easy to read on the trading chart. Uncheck the MACD line and the signal line and then click OK. I hope all of you know what MACD indicator does and how it can help us in our trading. It's already a very popular indicator. This indicator will help us identify short-term trend. When the histogram is green in color, this means that a short-term bullish trend going on in the market. So during this time, we will only look to open buy trades. When this histogram is red in color, this means a short-term bearish trend is happening in the market. And during this time, we should only look to open a sell trade. Even though these two indicators alone combine together to form a pretty accurate trading strategy. But to make our scalping strategy even more accurate, we need to add another indicator to our trading chart. If you are wondering which exchange I trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on, you can press the link below this video and take a look at Bybit. On this platform, you can easily make a deposit from your bank account and trade over 150 cryptocurrencies. Our third and final indicator is called Market Bias. So we will open the Indicators tab again, and here we will search for Market Bias, and then add this one created by Professor X. After this indicator is added to the chart, this is what it's going to look like. We will change some settings for this indicator also. In its settings under the Inputs tab, set the period to 60 and smoothing to 10. I will also decrease the opacity of the plot background so that my trading chart is easy to understand. After these changes are done, click OK. The primary function of the market bias indicator is to identify the overall trend direction. It does this by analyzing the price action over a specified period and applying a smoothing algorithm to filter out minor price fluctuations. When the indicator shows a green color, it suggests that the market is in a bullish trend, and the traders should look for buying opportunities. When the indicator shows 3 a red color, it indicates a bearish trend, and traders should look for selling opportunities. So this is the complete trading setup that we will use for this scalping strategy. As you can see, our trading chart looks exactly like how it did in the beginning of the video. So now that our chart is set, let's see how we can use these 3 indicators together in our trading. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. So for a buy trade to be valid, first of all, we want the twin range filter to give a buy signal like this. After that, we will confirm this indicator with the help of the market bias indicator. The market bias indicator needs to be green in color. Just like it is here, this, as we know, indicates an overall bullish trend. Then for the final confirmation, we will take a look at the MACD histogram. And for this buy signal to be considered valid, the histogram should also be green in color. As we have discussed earlier, that this indicates that a short-term bullish trend is playing out in the market. So when all these conditions are fulfilled, we can open a buy trade. So let's open a buy position here. You can set your stop loss at a recent swing low. and set your take profit at 1.5 times the risk to reward ratio. Now let's see if the price will hit our take profit target. Now let's go through one more buy trade example so that now confusion is left. Here's another example. We can see we got a buy signal here. The market bias indicator is green in color, and the MACD histogram is also green in color. So these are all the conditions, and if these are fulfilled, we can open a buy position here. We will set the stop loss below the most recent swing low, and the take profit target will be set at 1.5 times the risk. If you want to use any other money management strategy, please feel free to do so. Just keep in mind that in the scalping strategy, the take profit targets and the stop loss should be tight and close. I hope you have understood the rules for entering a buy trade using this strategy. Now, let's go through the complete rules for entering a sell trade using this strategy. If you don't have time to watch indicators all day, just join our free Telegram group for daily trade signals. The link is in the description. For sell trades, we simply reverse the conditions we discussed for buy trades. First of all, we will wait for the twin range filter to give a sell signal, just like it did here. For the confirmation of this signal, we want the market bias indicator should be red in color, indicating an overall bearish trend. Also, the MACD histogram should be red in color, as we know this also indicates a short-term bearish trend. So these are the conditions that need to be fulfilled before we open a sell trade. After a sell position is opened, you can set the stop loss above the most recent swing high, and the take profit will be set at the same 1.5 times the risk to reward ratio. A trader back tested this strategy and reported pretty impressive results. This strategy gave a 72% win rate and a 995% gain over 6 months. The strategy also boasted a profit factor of 3.99, with 8 consecutive wins against 4 consecutive losses and a maximum drawdown of 4.88%. This strategy can work on any security, but it seems to work well on a 5-minute time frame. Please make sure to do your own back testing to see how it performs on other time frames and tailor it to your preferences. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.